can start playing our game. So let's read the question together. Can you read it for me?
What is the major source of the water cycle? Water.
Water. So you and I are gonna play together since you don't have a partner. Okay, I'll be your partner.
Okay.
So remember, let's read the question. When the water changes from
Liquid to gas.
it's
It's
called
called liquid to gas evaporation.
evaporation. I don't know.
Yes.
So you have to beat me. You have
What is constantly cycling through the air? Let's see.
gas, water, or steam.
Water.
Water.
Good.
Good. Okay. Water that runs along the soil.
Goes to the lakes. It's called precipitation.
Aquí ya,
Ah.
puede cerrarle sobre todos los lapiceros. Acá se quedó a ver, este es pluma.
Next. Water as gas in the air.
Water condensation.
Water vapor.
Todos estos son, pues yo
Okay,
creo ya.
now we can review our vocabulary,
Cuánta cosita, ¿verdad?
and we're gonna use our power. Here we go.
Este es la
So we're gonna.
Ahorita lo pongo acá.
Alright. Can you remember some vocabulary words that we used?
Good one. Okay. Evaporation.
Can you tell me what evaporation is?
The sun causes water from a body of water to change from a liquid to a gas.
Condensation. The water changes from a gas to a liquid as it cools, forming clouds.
And precipitation. Water droplets fall from the atmosphere as rain, sleet, snow, or hail.
Good job. Now, and the water cycle. So what is this? The water
That is when the water comes up.
comes up,
We call that evaporation,
And
then condensation,
condensation.
and the rain is the precipitation.
Does it always have to
Bueno,
be
esto
rain?
yo creo ya. Si
No,
sale
we can
más,
have
pues
a
ponemos
sleet,
aquí.
snow, and hail.
O este tiene
Good
más.
job. So now let's see
¿Sabes qué? No,
Let's
no
take our
ponemos
quiz
más
and
aquí
see
de estos.
if you did.
No, así.
So what is the major source of energy in the water cycle?
The sun.
The sun. You want to click the sun?
Let's see.
Good job. So the sun is the major source of energy from the water cycle. Okay.
Y si no,
So now,
mira esa cosita que traía, no es
so
igual
now
a
we're
esta.
gonna do our rainfall video.
¿Cuáles estos? Oye, este libro va.
Okay, so now we're gonna listen for vocabulary
No,
words.
es lo mismo.
Air and back again. As you might have guessed, this process is known as the water cycle. Scientists study it because water is such an important part of the ecosystem. Every living thing on the planet depends on a clean supply of water. Well, you can think of the water cycle as the Earth's circulatory system. Just like there's a fixed amount of blood circulating through your body, there's a fixed amount of water cycling around, over, and inside our planet. All that water is known as the hydrosphere. The sun, the heart, pumps water around the hydrosphere. Its heat
That's not- what is
breaks the
this?
bonds between water molecules, causing them to evaporate from oceans, lakes, rivers.
So when the water evaporates and then it turns into
Mira,
what?
este es como un
With,
separador.
clouds. There's condensation,
Hail.
and then we have precipitation.
Precipitation. And it doesn't have to necessarily be rain all the time, right?
It could be snow, hail, sleet, and rain.
Todo esto, Beatriz.
You're right. Water returns to the earth through precipitation, also known as rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Sometimes water flows across the surface of the earth as something called runoff.
Okay, so we're gonna move on and we are going to,
Play the game.
we're gonna play the game.
Play that. Who wants to do it?
En este. Ya. Casi. Bueno, a ver.
Okay, so who wants to be a millionaire? Have you ever played this game before?
Yes, I have seen the TV.
Okay, you see them on TV.
Cinco monitos, quién sabe. Son de contar. Sí.
Okay, so I want you to read the question for me.
This falls to the air in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. That is precipitation.
Precipitation. Let's see if it's correct. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Estará la tapadera de este viernes. Allá, la rosa. Sí,
Surface water.
Oh.
Yes, it's surface water. So now let's move on to the next question. And you can come and help me.
This forms droplets of water as water vapor cools to a liquid. That is
Precipitation, accumulation. Which one do you think?
water as water vapor cools to a liquid. That is precipitation.
Estos cepillos de dientes de quién son.
Is that your final answer?
Estas tarjetitas o de dónde.
Okay, condensation.
Condensation.
Condensation. The process where the sun heats and turns into liquid, into gas and water vapor.
So heat turns liquid into gas. That is evaporation.
Do you want to click it? Do you want to come and click it?
Hacia el lado, aquí.
This is, yes, this is my final round. Ah,
Ah,
I got
you
it
got it
right.
right.
So I got a million. Now I can go with you, Beatriz.
Ya, vámonos de parranda.
So what's the next one? A gas formed when water evaporates.
Transforming with water vapor.
Ya no cupieron el
Water vapor.
¿Y aquí?
Let's see, you got it right.
Sí, ciencias.
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
Okay. Precipitation creates blank in lakes, rivers, streams, and in our yards.
Precipitation creates, but I need to see the options.
Creates what? Evaporation, accumulation, or water?
Accumulation.
Accumulation. Let's see. You got it right. The water cycle has no blank or blank.
Ah, ya.
North or south, up and down, form or state, or start or end.
The water cycle has no start or end.
So now, what is this one?
The form
The
is
form
the one
is-
is changing constantly.
Constantly.
Ese me faltó
Okay, now we're gonna move on, and I want you to explain to me by using our Google Draw, and I want you to explain to me the water cycle.
Okay, water cycle is
I want you to
complex.
explain it or label it, and
Okay.
label it.
Okay, the water cycle,
What's the
What's-
first step?
the first step is evaporation. I mean, we have the water, and then we have evaporation. So we have it. Okay.
Okay,
We have evaporation first,
first,
and then the
the
water
Y el que yo traía lo
evaporates,
puse ahí en un ladito.
and it
Con los
makes
lapiceros.
some clouds.
Cuando
Then
saque los lapiceros,
we
ahí los
have-
saca aquí.
Precipitation,
Mira, esa caja de colores.
and then when there is too much molecules of water that are together, it start raining, and we have the precipitation. That could be snow, rain, sleet, and hail. And then it started again with evaporation, with the water that comes down. Precipitation is why we call this the water cycle.
good job. So by the end of our lesson, were you able to explain the water cycle?
Yes, and I could draw it.
And you could
I
draw
can
it.
Todo esto te vas a llevar, Beatriz.
And why do you think the water cycle is important? Why is it important to you?
Because I can
Todo
swim,
esto te vas a
You can swim.
and I can sleep during the winter, and I can drink water.
Good job. Alrighty, well now let's get ready to go to recess.
Thank you so much.
Yay!